Hi, we have added to our platform the technical log functionality. Previous aircraft flight log section has been changed to tech log. When adding a new entry, you can choose between flight or maintenance. With flight log entries, you can record or schedule flights, record flight times, and other user-defined parameters, for example landings. Checklists can be added for pilots, which can also be used in our pilot view. Users can create observations or defects, which will be added to respective tables. Second option is the maintenance tech log. Maintenance tech log allows to record all the maintenance performed and has the same functionality as our work order module. Users can perform component changes, tasks, additional works, defect rectification, record materials, etc. The second option to create a maintenance log is from the flight log, in which case both the flight and maintenance log share the same tech log number. The system supports two types of tech log entries. Either flight and maintenance are on the same tech log page or on separate pages. From a maintenance log, users can also create a work order, and the system will automatically link the two records. When using our dedicated mobile view for pilots, users can see recorded flights and maintenance logs, with recorded actions, as well as defects and bookings. Additionally, they can record flights and defects, which will be displayed on the main software view. After pilots have created an entry, a defect for example, it will be recorded and immediately displayed on main platform view.